Swagatam and welcome back. Today's topic of discussion is certain terminologies associated with areas. So let's get started. First of all, we have a square and the side length of the square is 1 meter. In this case, when we are to find the area of the square, then we multiply the side length, which gives us 1 square meter. So in the next case, we have another square whose side length is 10 meters, and now if we need to find its area, then again we multiply the side lengths. So 10 times 10 gives 100, and 100 square meter is written as 1 are. So ARE, it's a unit of area which is pronounced as are, and we can define 1 are as the area of a square whose side length is 10 meter. Now moving on to the next square whose side length will be 10 times than that of the previous one. So in the third case, we have another square, and here the side length is 100 meter. So in order to find the area of this particular square, we need to multiply its side length. That gives an area of 10,000 square meter. Now 10,000 square meter is termed as 1 hectare. So we have started our journey with 1 meter, then moved on to 10 meter, then moved on to 100 meter, and now we are talking about a square whose side length is 1000 meter. Now 1000 meter can also be termed as 1 kilometer, and if such a square exists and we need to find its area, then these side lengths are to be multiplied, which gives a million square meter. So a million square meter is exactly equal to 1 square kilometer. So starting from square meter and moving all the way up to square kilometer, this is a step-by-step journey. Hopefully you have understood this concept well, and kindly make yourself comfortable with these terms. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you tomorrow with a fresh topic. Goodbye.